Good afternoon. Today we are going to unwrap the sawmill and go down and unpack it, see what in the heck is in there, and see about getting the base set up and see what we can get done today. Beautiful weather out today, and so let's go. Kitty. Kitty. Come over here. Kitty. Come here, Kitty. Kitty, come over here. Is it heavy? Okay, hold on. Hold on. This thing is heavier than snot. Lots of bolts and nuts. One extra bunk. So there we go. I think that's pretty much it. But how in the world we're going to lift that puppy up, I don't know. That is going to be heavy. Oh, there's Kitty. There's lots more bolts. Okay, so I guess that's... Where's the instructions at? Oh well. It's not working very well, is it? Dang it! It's a pruning saw. We need a hand saw. Okay, so here we go. We've got the floor in here pretty well leveled out. Tomorrow we'll be getting these cross ties, good and level and packed down really good, and then setting this beam. So that's where we got today. Gonna have to build some plastic barriers to barrier off all this stuff in the back and figure out what to do, get rid of some of these old skis and things. Still got probably 4 or 5 more loads of stuff to go to the dump. But this is what we got done today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the notifications button and you'll be notified when there's a new video put out. We appreciate you coming along for the ride, putting the sawmill together in the lower shop. See you tomorrow.